have some gardening tools in my garden that are essential when it comes to being a plant mom, and I want to share them with you. So here we go. All right, let's get started because there's a couple of tools here. So the first thing first is gardening tools. This is important for whenever you want to, shovel some dirt or like rake out something in the soil, or even mix something in the soil. Gardening tools are very important, and these are little itty bitty ones that are like for smaller pots, but also you need like the big ones if you have bigger plants and things like that, because you need to be able to pick up the soil and stuff like that. So this is an essential. Next tool that you need in your garden is a dabbler, and I don't know what this is called, a diblet, a dabbler, I'm not sure. You need these gardening tools. This is good to make like holes in your soil wherever you want to plant a plant. For example, if I'm adding to a pot a propagation, makes an exact precise hole wherever I want that plant to be, and it looks stunning. And then this one is just like a little separator, I guess, and it has a little shovel too. You wouldn't think that you would need this, but trust me, whenever it's like a little finicky project, this comes in handy.